today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use in-person signing with DocuSign. Whether you're new to electronic signatures or just looking to streamline your workflow, you're in the right place. Let's dive into how you can utilize this feature effectively for both business and personal needs. First, navigate to DocuSign's website. Open your preferred browser and go to docusign.com. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by DocuSign's homepage, renowned for its electronic signature and agreement management solutions. Next, log into your account. You'll find the login button prominently displayed on the homepage. Click it and enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up using a secure password and verify your email to access all of DocuSign's features. Once logged in, you'll arrive at the DocuSign home screen. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. You'll see various options, but today our focus is on starting a new transaction. Look for the Start button. This is your gateway to initiating the signing process. Click it, and you'll be presented with several signing options. Here comes the exciting part. Setting up an in-person signing session. You'll notice an option labeled In-Person Signer. Selecting this feature is perfect for situations where you're face-to-face with the signer, allowing them to add their signature on the spot. Think of it as handing them a pen during a meeting, but done digitally. Once you've selected the in-person signer option, prepare the document for signing. Make sure the document is uploaded and all signature fields are properly placed. Double check every field to ensure no essential information is missing, as this could cause delays. Now you're almost ready for the signing session. DocuSign's user-friendly interface guides you through each step, helping ensure your document is properly prepared. You can save, review, and update details if needed. With everything set, facilitate the signing session by showing the signer where to sign, answering any questions, and ensuring they are comfortable with the digital platform. And there you have it. You're all set to use in-person signing with DocuSign. This feature makes signing processes more efficient and straightforward, whether for contracts, agreements, or other important documents. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, share it with others who might benefit, and until next time, happy signing.